Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change the image resolution on Webtoon. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to change the image resolution. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply focus on the bottom right. Right next to mine, you can see a button like this called as More. Click on it. And as such, this page will open up. From here, all you guys need to do is focus on the settings button. Right here at the top, right next to search, you can see the settings button. Click on it, and this is it guys. From here, if you simply scroll down on the options tab, you can see something called as image resolution. Click on it. Currently, as you guys can see, it is set on low. I'm gonna click on it and simply change it to high. And guys, that is it. That's how we change the image resolution on Webtoon. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.